Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. Right now, in the past 24 hours, the market has been booming. It is up about 3.54%, and we're on a massive bull run here in the past few days, guys. Bitcoin is looking very juicy, trading at 55,000, guys. We destroyed that, resistance area that we have around 52,000, and we continue to go fast, very fast this morning. A billion, 49.4 billion right here volume just this past 24 hours. Ethereum at 22.2 billion, so volume is definitely picking up very quickly. Bitcoin is up over 1 trillion market cap, finally up about 6.85% here today. Ethereum at 1.54%. But what is something that's weird here, guys? As these large cap coins are rocketing, all these altcoins tend to be, staying flat or not moving that much, or a little bit up, a little bit down, with some obviously outliers. And then we have the big one right here, Shiba Inu, guys. So we talked about Shiba two days ago, and Sheba has continued to roar on higher and higher after that video. I believe when we talked about it, it was trading down here. It was probably around this area, around 0.0000881, so it was not even in the one digit right there, and now we're trading at 3301, which is up about 370%. Since that video was published, I believe we're up over about 200% or so, maybe a little bit higher, which is insane. Actually, it was around 100% profit for sure, because the market cap was around 5 billion, and right now we're at around 11.1 billion market cap, so it has been a little bit over 100% profit. To be, more accurate on that one. So just in the past 24 hours, Sheba has been up about 75.31%, rocketing on up. And, a lot of people are taking profits as we're getting up to these high levels. But can Sheba continue to roar? We said that, we predict it could possibly go to up to about 20 billion market cap. But, after that, it's kind of going to be a riskier gamble. So there's still some more potential for Sheba. But I would start taking profits if it was me, obviously, personally holding any of these Sheba coins, because it could fall back down very quickly. And you don't want to be caught with that falling knife, because you don't know when that knife is going to stop going through. So, guys, let's get into this countdown, guys. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description. Now let's get into this countdown. The first altcoin on our list is going to be right here, Phantom. So FTM. This one we've never talked about on the channel before. It is up about 18.46% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.67. It went from lows of about 130 at one point. In the past week, we're up over 38% on this one. In the past month, 19.3%. And then on the 1 year chart, 6,085%. As this coin was trading at around 2 or 3 cents last October, hit highs here in May at around 92 cents, pulled back down with the market all the way to lows of 16 cents, and then we rocketed on higher here, making all-time highs right under $2 in the beginning of September. Obviously cooled off, and now we're trying to see another uptrend. So market cap on this coin is at around 4.2 billion. So market cap is on the lower side. Volume picking up over 204% higher than usual, 757 million right there. All-time high is at 193, like we said. We have a circulating supply of 2.5 billion Phantom coins, but this one has been, making a roar here in the past few months, and definitely making a great move ever since July. I mean, from 16 cents all the way to 160, that's about a 1,000% return, or about a 10x. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Phantom coin in July, that $1,000 would now be worth over $10,000 in profit, which is obviously insane. The market cap on this coin was around 400 million at that point, and now we're at over 4 billion market cap. So that market cap has been climbing very quickly, and obviously we're hoping for this momentum to continue on higher, as it's up over 6,000% already just in the past year, and the insanity could continue. So definitely want to watch on your radar to see how it's going to perform in the near future. Could have some potential going on forward. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So another popular coin right here. In the past 24 hours, this one is down a little bit, about 2.2%, trading at $34.39. In the past week, we're almost flat, up about 1% or so. And then on the 1 month chart here, we are up over 36%, trading around $34 like we said. On the 1 year chart, we're up over 605% from lows here last October, right under $5, hitting highs in May at around $30, and then pulling back down with the market to lows of under $10, and then rocketing on higher to highs of 44. So about a 300% gain right there from the low to the top. So a 300% gain in a matter of about a month and a half or two. That is a nice gain, obviously, in my opinion, and a gain that I would definitely be willing to sign on. If somebody told me, hey, if you buy this and it's going to go up about 200, 300% potentially in the next month and a half, I would sign that contract right up, because those are great opportunities that you're not going to get very often, and if you can get those type of returns in that short of a time period, that's just insanity, and you're doing something well. So those returns are awesome in my opinion. 7.7 billion market cap right now. Volume right under 1 billion. Typical hold time is 35 days. It is ranked the number 22 coin. Trading activity 54% buy, 46% sell. If we take a look here, Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Now, Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can, stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward for holding it. So that is definitely another positive thing, because as you have more Atom, you can stake it and do different things like that in order to get more coins and accumulate more and more, which is obviously something that we always look forward to. Staking is a huge thing in the crypto space and something that we've talked about on this channel very often. It's a way of making some more passive income just for holding coins that you're planning on holding for the long term. As long as you don't plan on selling them, no matter what happens, either if it goes up or down, staking is definitely something that you should do some research on and see if it fits your criteria or not. But Cosmos, definitely another coin to be watching in the month of October to see how it's going to perform. And then last but not least, coming in at the number 3 spot, the highest market cap out of these three is going to be Polkadot, also known as DOT. So we've talked about this one on the channel before. Very popular coin. It is up about 2% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $31.52. In the past week, we're up about 15.5%. In the past month, down about almost 8%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 760% from lows of about $4 last October, hitting highs here in May at around $50 almost, pulling back down all the way to lows of about $10, and then hitting new highs at around $34, $35. So about a 200% gain right there, a little bit higher in the past few months. So making a nice move. 31.1 billion market cap on this coin. Typical hold time is 29 days. Volume at 2 billion. Trading activity is 54% buy, 46% sell, and obviously the popularity, it is ranked the number 8 coin right now. Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking, to secure the network, or to connect new chains. So how does all this work? Well, Polkadot is a proof of stake consensus mechanism, to secure the network, verify transactions, and create new distributed new DOT. There are several ways DOT holders can interact with the staking system. Now, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote by staking and participating in the network, you may be able to receive more DOT rewards. Now, keep in mind, obviously, the reason Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many, parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chain. As a result of the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, compared to about 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum, which is a lot slower. As the network grows and more parachains are added, Polkadot should get even faster with speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second, which would be insanity, obviously. A lot faster than these bigger coins, and that could definitely be something that brings Polkadot to a bigger level, higher valuation, and continue to move on higher with this market cap and valuation on this coin. So definitely one of those coins that you should keep an eye out on for the future, even though it seems silly, but it could continue to go higher in the next couple of years, especially if we see more speed get faster and faster. So that's going to be our third altcoin on the list that could potentially keep on booming. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, guys. Doge is down about 1.4%. Solana's down about 6% here if we take a look. Doge obviously followed pretty much Shiba Inu's pattern for a while, and then it kind of tapered off. So for the past few days, it's been following the same pattern as Sheba, but today, as Sheba continued to rocket on higher throughout the day, Dogecoin kind of started to fall off and not follow that same pattern anymore. So it broke that pattern. As they were doing the same thing, now they're not doing the same thing. Shiba's doing its own thing, and Doge is doing its own thing as well, and that's something we're going to be watching. Now after that we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, doing very well here, trading right under that 55,000 area. We were almost at 56,000 at one point, and it was just trading at 50,000. Last night when we made a video. In the past week, we're up over 32%, guys. That is insane. In the past month, 4%, and then obviously on the 1 year chart, 421%. So you guys all know we had that 52,000 area. Then we saw flash crash type situation, a lot of fake news and different things going on, pulled back down to about 40,000, and then now we're skyrocketing on higher and higher. Could we hit those all-time highs at 65,000 in the near future? Anything is possible. I mean, we're up over 14 or 15,000 in the past few weeks. I would not be, surprised if we're at all-time highs by the end of 2021. We could definitely be, continuing to boom. And depending on how bullish we get, that 100,000 area for Bitcoin could be coming close, guys. We're finally over that 1 trillion market cap again, which is 32% of the crypto space right now. 48% buy, 52% sell. Bitcoin is on a roar. Ethereum lagging behind a little bit, but still performing very well, up about 1.5% from last night at 3,300. Now we're at 3,500, even hit highs of 36 at one point. In the past week, we're up 24%. In the past month, we're down almost 10%. And then on the 1 year chart, 959%. So obviously with this one, we were trading around this 32 to 3,300 area, rocketing it on up to 4,000, pulled back down to 2,700, and now we're making a comeback. So it's a little bit lagging behind where Bitcoin is, but it's still coming up slowly but surely. 415 billion market cap right now, which is 13% of the crypto space. 83 typical hold time days, 54% buy, 46% sell right now. All-time high around that 43 to 4,400 area. So we're still about $900 away from that, all-time high. But could it happen? Definitely something that could happen, and something that we're going to be watching very, very closely to see if it's going to happen in the month of October, November, December potentially, or by the end of 2021 or potentially 2022. So we're going to be watching the crypto space very, very quickly. You guys let me know in the comments below. Are you expecting crypto to continue this boom or not? As always, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into by trading. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.